Hello and welcome to this project. In this video, I will make an easy one-way valve using a PVC pipe and minimal parts without special fittings, suitable for low to middle pressure air and water applications like air pumps or water siphons, fountains, etc. To implement this project, I've used the following items: a PVC pipe of an appropriate diameter, one glass marble or other similar sized plastic ball, some plastic plates, a small O-ring, and a small pipe to make the outlets. Also some super glue and 2 parts epoxy. To make the plates, just cut and unbend some PVC pipe above the flame of a candle. Next thing to do on the list is to drill a hole on the plate, a little smaller than the O-ring. Align the O-ring properly and apply super glue around it. Place the pipe on the plate and glue it together. As the pipe is much larger than the marble we've used, we need to fill the space around it with some pieces of plastic, which will serve as spacers, so to remain in the middle. I put a lambda-shaped pin above the marble to keep it in place. As we use no springs, the distance between the ball and the pin will determine how much flow is needed to activate it. It will need trial and error to get it right. Drill and glue the second plate and place one small pipe on each side. The last thing to do is to reinforce all the outer glued parts with 2 parts epoxy glue. Just to make sure it's durable, I put it on the faucet, which has about 3 bars pressure, an amount of pressure that should never be operated to. Thanks for watching, don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe.